Alright, so as Shen RC would say, it's beauty. I screwed that up. Hey guys, and welcome to the channel. Happy Tamiya Tuesday. Gonna get started on this M-05 chassis with this little NSU TT Jagermeister body. There are plenty of parts trees, so I'm gonna get these separated out and find the instructions. So I found the instructions. Let's see what's going on here. So it looks like it has me go right into it. It's got the side chassis. It's got the what's that? The rear section? I don't know. Got a lot of stuff going on here. So let's find all these parts and get ready to put them together. So I got some of the pieces located, and I also found RC Parts Bag A. So I'm going to get this little back brace. This is going to actually go up here. And then I'm going to put on the side piece here and secure them with those two screws. So now on this rear piece, I'm going to attach this little piece with two of the BA6 screws. So I realized I made my first mistake already. When you look at the piece that I put on here, this is smooth in the back, and then the front has a little bit of a notch. The notch piece is supposed to be in the back. So this is the correct piece. I'm going to go ahead and fix that now. And as far as I can tell from the picture, this part just snaps into place here. Alright, so I'm off to a rough start. I had the screws originally in these holes, but they're supposed to be in the slider holes. And then the servo will actually mount to these two holes here. So, making all kinds of mistakes, but working through it. So this plate goes onto here. Just simply goes over top. And then gets held on by a BA6 and a BA9. And then the back wing actually goes on here, whatever this thing is, roll cage, whatever. Slides on, and it's held on by BA2. There's two of them. They just screw right on in. So now getting into the transmission, this big kind of yellowish plastic gear will get one of the metal gears, as well as a washer, which is right here, and a little spin thing. Yeah, I guess it'll make a planetary gear at the end of the day. It says to load everything up with the Tamiya grease that's provided, but I'm going to use my PPRslots.com RC Heavy Grease. This is available through Shen RC's channel. Go check it out. So as Shen RC would say, it's beauty. I screwed that up. Anyway, everything's all greased up. Gonna go ahead and put the cover on. Alright, so now it says to assemble the front arms, and these go together with a couple BA6 screws. So this is calling for a lot of bushings to go into a lot of gears. I'm not using bushings, I'm using the fast eddy bearings. So I will place the bearings into the gears and get them all set up. Alright, so that half's together. Just simply slide on the rear piece here to the side frame. Grease all that up real good with the PPR Slots grease, heavy. And now I'm going to get ready to put it on the other side. So here we go. Alright guys, so that's about it. I got all this together here. I'm up to step 6. And I'm calling it a night. I'm tired. This is it. So if you liked what you saw, please click the like button. Don't forget to subscribe. Have a great day, and I will see you on the next one. Bye for now.